Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Spot YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the new topic in engineering mathematics known as linear algebra. So this lecture is for GATE, PG-CET and engineering mathematics as well. So in this linear algebra there are many subtopics. The first topic is matrices and determinants. So let us start matrices and determinants. So what do you mean by matrices? Matrices is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. So if we want to call A as a matrix means it should be arranged in a rectangular format. It may be a numbers or alphabets like this A, B, C, D, E, F. So it is arranged in rows and columns as well. So this is 2 rows into 3 columns. So this is the matrices. So the general form of matrices, if A is set to a matrix, so it should contain a certain numbers in rows and columns format. So I is the row here and J is the column here. So this is the general representation of a matrices. So now we are going to discuss about different types of matrices. So the first type of matrices is row matrix. So a matrix is said to be row matrix if it contains only one row. So row matrix. So A is said to be row matrix only if it contains like this, etc. It can contain n number of elements, but the condition is only one row should be present. So similarly column matrix. So matrix A is said to be column matrix if it contains only one column, 1, 2, 3 like this. It can contain n number of elements. So this is about row matrix and column matrix. So the next type of matrix is square matrix. So generally, as the name itself indicates, square is nothing but a proper matrix if the number of rows and number of columns in a matrix are equal. So rows must be equal to columns, then it is known as square matrix. So it's nothing but A is equal to A Ij. This means I equals J. For example, a 3 cross 3 matrix is a square matrix. So singleton matrix. Next is singleton matrix. A matrix A is said to be a singleton matrix if it has only one element. So as the definition itself indicates, if it has only one element inside the matrix, then it is known as singleton matrix, a null matrix. So next type of matrix is null matrix. A matrix is said to be a null matrix if all the elements of the matrix is 0. Then it is called a null matrix. A is said to be null matrix if all the entries inside the matrix A is 0. Now next type of matrix is diagonal matrix. So these are all important. These all are important for competitive exams and GATE exams. So we should know about the basic definitions of the matrix before we are going to start the problems on matrix. So there are many questions asked based on the types of matrix. So the next type of matrix is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix is nothing but if all the elements except the principal diagonal is a square matrix in a square matrix are 0. For example, A is said to be a diagonal matrix 5 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 7. So a matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all the entries on the diagonal elements are non-zero. So the condition for diagonal matrix is it should be a square matrix and all the entries other than the diagonal elements should be zero. See here, this type of matrix is called diagonal matrix. So the next type of matrix is scalar matrix. In scalar matrix, a matrix is said to be scalar matrix only if it is a diagonal matrix with all the diagonal elements equal. So 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. So the conditions for scalar matrix is it should be a diagonal matrix. The condition for diagonal matrix is it should be a square matrix. So this condition applies for this also. So since it is the scalar matrix should be a diagonal matrix, it implies that it should be a square matrix as well. So the next type of matrix is triangular matrix. So a matrix triangular matrix. A matrix A is said to be a triangular matrix if each element above or below the principal diagonal element is 0. It is of two types. So the upper triangular matrix it is of two types. Upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. So I will erase this and I will rewrite this again. Triangular matrix. First we will discuss about upper triangular matrix. A is said to be upper triangular matrix. So this is the diagonal elements 1 2 3. So whatever may be the entries in the upper side, but the lower entries must be 0 4 5 6. So the elements below the principal diagonal elements should be 0. So then lower triangular matrix. So it is said to be a lower triangular matrix if and only if the elements above the principal diagonal elements are 0. Okay. Now the next type of matrix is equal matrix. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they have the same elements in the matrix. So now Next important type of matrix is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. So our matrix A is said to be symmetric if and only if A transpose is equal to A. So what is A transpose? So A transpose is nothing but A transpose is a matrix A with entries A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This let it be a 3 cross 3 matrix. So what is the transpose of this matrix? Transpose of this matrix is nothing but all the rows and columns must be interchanged. See here. This column should be written like this column is written as this is the first column. So this is written as the first row A11, A21, A31. So all the columns and rows are interchanged. So this is the second row. Second column. This is written as second row A12, A22, A32. So this is the third column. Third column is written as third row A13, A23, A33. This is the A transpose of the matrix A. So symmetric matrix is nothing but if all the entries of A is equal to all the entries of the A transpose matrix, then it is known as symmetric matrix. So for example, for symmetric matrix nothing but the skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is nothing but a matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if and only if a transpose of the matrix A is equal to negative of the matrix A. So A transpose is equal to negative of the matrix A. So a matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, then A transpose must be equal to negative of this matrix A. So these are some of the important types of matrix. So there are some other type of matrix. We will discuss that when we are discussing about the determinants.